I learned to cook thanks to my mom, but especially my aunts, and it's a passion that grew in me in the years. So as I was growing, my passion and my knowledge in cooking was growing. At first, when I was diagnosed with celiac disease, I thought it was the end, not only of my good eating, but also of my cooking. But actually, it was, I would say, a blessing in disguise, because it helped me to look at things in a different way and to adjust recipes, even traditional recipes, and to do more research about the science that is behind baking, especially, and cooking in general. So, all in all, it was something that made me progress in my cooking and in my passion and my knowledge. I generally like to do it with carnaroli because the grains are a little thinner than arborio, and I like the flavor of the carnaroli rice. And now we toast it, so we leave it dry like this, and we sear it basically, because this helps us to maintain the grain. I look at the grain.
Right.
You can see that the outside is translucent, while the inside is still really dense and white. That means that the inside is not there yet. That food is part of our social life. So sitting down at a table and having good food, comforting food, and eating it slowly with your friends and your loved ones while you have conversation about your life, about important things, silly things, is part of the everyday life.